Okay, we're recording, finally. Fiddly-dee. We'll see how it turns out. Oh man, snow's deep off trail. Holy shit. This is 120 frames, so it should be, we're gonna do some slow-mo and see how it works out with this Sony. It's my A6500. It's not like the Hero 9 where you can go 250 and slow it down, but might as well try it. We've got the A7 III to try and the A6300, lots of cameras to play with, so we're sciencing. Major production. For today, eked out a few trees, made a mess. We can sell these, just cedar posts, you know, like 5 inches at the butt. A couple there. Anyway, I think it's time to go. Had enough of that shit. Get her in the face. That's always good. Come on, Ricky. What the fuck? Keep getting covered in snow. Reaching like that sucks. End of my pole is kind of frosty. No, fuck. Oh, that sucked. Bloody hell. It's supposed to be cold today. It's not cold enough. Boiling. Alright. That will conclude the test. Fucking boiling now. Shit.